Hello friends, this is Praveen. Today we are going to solve the faulty clock puzzle. So first let's read the instruction. So there are two 12-hour clocks, that is L and G. The fault in both of these clocks is that clock L loses 2 minutes every 36 hours and clock G gains 2 minutes every 12 hours. Initially that the both clocks are set up at 12 o'clock. That means it is the correct time. So the question we have to find out after how many hours will the both clock next show the same time. So uh, after how many hours will the clock show the same times? If pause the video if you want to take your time. So first let's move to the solution. To move towards the solution first, we need to solve an easy question so that we can get a base to solve this question. So let's take a two clock in which clock 1 that is clock C and the second clock that is clock G. Clock C shows the correct timing. So it is at 12 o'clock and clock G gains 10 minutes per hour. So it gains 10 minutes. So what we have to first we will make a table. First we are going to solve it manually and then we will go to the formula. So after 1 hour has passed. So after 1 hour is passed. So the timing or the difference would be 10 minutes. This would show the correct timing and this would be further by the 10 minutes. And in the second hour it would be 20 minutes and in 3 hours it would be 30 minutes. In same way, let's take a lap. So when it would be a 12 hours, it would show 120 minutes. That is 2 hours. So now at the 24 hours, it would show 240 minutes and it would show that is 4 hours. Now at 48 hours, it would be 480 minutes, that is 8 hours. Then at 60 hours, it would be a 600 minutes, that would be 10 hours. And in the same way, if we go further, that is 72 hours, it would show that is 720 minutes, that is 12 hours. So now this the time ahead, this is 12 hours, but they would show the correct same time because the hour hand would be point towards 12 and the minute hand also at 12, and in the default clock that would be 12 and 12. So how we can do it mathematically, that is so this is time and duration. Okay, so first in that let's take this scenario in which 1 hour, then the lap is 10 minutes. So we want that the time duration is 12 hours. So these are in the direct ratio, that is 1 is to this is in hour, so we have to convert the 10 minutes into hour, that would be 10 divided by 60. So 10 divided by 60. In same way, let's keep it is this value as x, and so its duration would be 12 hours. So now we know that the product of extreme is equals to product of means. So these are the means term and these are extreme terms. So we get 12 multiplied by 1 is equals to 10 divided by 60 multiplied by x. So this is in divide, we will have it 10 divided by 60. So we will get this value as 72. So it is equals to 72. Hence we can see that here 72 matches with this 72. So we have formed this duration. So now let's see the original equation that we were. Now our the clock is L and G. So let's take, this is clock L and this is clock G. This gains 2 minutes 36 hours. So yes. So this gains 2 hours 36 in 2 minutes and 36 hours, and this gains 2 minutes in a. So this is to take, it will start from 1 hour, so the time would be very small that to visualize. So let's take the LCM of the 36 and 12. So it would be 36. So let's take after the duration of 36 hours, the clock 1 will lose 2 minutes and this will lose this will gain, that is 6 minutes. So the difference between that is 8 minutes. We get 8 minutes. So now we have to do is 36 is to 1 that is 8 minutes, and we have to find about the 12 hours, that is equals to question mark. So these are, we know that in the direct proportion. So first we convert into the R, that would be 60, 1 by 60 R, and now we can solve it, that is 12 multiplied by 30 divided by 8 divided by 60. So 60 would here come multiply, and that would, then we will do the simplification, and we would get the answer as 3240 minutes. So this it is in hours. So the correct answer is 3240 hours. So after 3240 hours, it would show the same time. So friends, I hope that you like this video, and at the last, thanks for watching.